Welcome to online conceptual learning classes. Today we move on parts of mathematics which is as known as geometry. There are two words, geo and metry. Geo means earth and metry means to measure. It means the parts of mathematics which is need for measurement of अर्थ. इन हिंदी गणित की वक्र शाखा जिसके द्वारा पृथ्वी को मापने का काम किया जाता है उसे हम ज्यामिति या ज्योमेट्री कहते हैं. देयर आर टू काइंड्स ऑफ ज्योमेट्री. फर्स्ट, डिडक्शन. सेकेंड, construction. In deduction, axioms, postulates, theorem are also included. Construction is as known as practical geometry. It means two kinds of deduction and construction. Today, in this chapter, we shall also discuss about Euclid's approach to geometry. Euclid's approach to geometry. First, axioms. Some statements based on observation which is not to be proved is called axioms. Second, postulates. The statements which are to be proved it means truth is checked. It means truth is checked. Called postulates. Third, consistent, consistent. A system of axioms. A system of axioms is called consistent. Consistent if it needs to be ensured, Theorem. Proven statement is called propositions. Or theorem. It means there are four factors on which Euclid's approach to geometry are dependent. Now this, what we can say about the approach of Euclid's 5 postulates. First postulates, a straight line may be drawn from any one point to another point. It means a straight line may be drawn one point we can take and another point. Then we also draw a line. It means a line has only 2 and 2 points are included. Second, a terminate line can be produced indefinitely. We also introduce. Third, a circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. A circle. And other all right angles are equal to one another. All right angles are a right angle. And fifth, if a straight line falling on two straight lines makes the interior angles on the same side of it taken together less than two right angles, then the two straight lines, if produced indefinitely, meet on that side on which the sum of angles is less than two right angles. It means the sum of two angles are less than 180 degree, and then sum of two angles are greater than two right angles. So we can say that if we considered our mind on 5 postulates of Euclid's, then figure number 1, figure number 2, figure number 3, figure number 4 and figure number 5. We can easily say that when two parallel lines it means the distance between two lines are equal in many places, then we can say that both lines are parallel. आज यूक्लिड्स के पांचों पोस्टुलेट्स पर आप ध्यान देंगे। मुझे आशा है कि आप इन पांचों पोस्टुलेट्स, 4 फैक्टर्स और हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स ऑफ ज्योमेट्री एंड व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ज्योमेट्री को निश्चित रूप से तैयार करेंगे। इसी आशा और विश्वास के साथ आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।